Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Martha. Welcome back to the channel. Today's turn is for the verb tener, which is a funny verb, and you'll see why in a minute. If you haven't taken the chance, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell so you can keep receiving the benefits. Come with me and see what is this all about. Okay, sometimes tener means to be, and some other times tener means to have. The verb to have denotes position, usually, as in the examples below. I have a dog, tengo un perro, she has 2 books, ella tiene 2 libros, or you have a sister, tú tienes una hermana. But you may also use the verb tener in the form of to be when you need to tell people you're hungry, you're thirsty, or you're sleepy. And that's when the confusions arrive, because we are not sure. But in the following examples, I'll teach you when to use tener instead of to be. Like in this case, tengo sed. Normally in English, we would say, I'm thirsty, right? But in Spanish, you can't say, estoy sed. You could say, estoy sediento, but it's not a common way to say, tengo sed, or I'm thirsty. Tengo hambre. In English, I'm hungry. Not estoy hambre. Again, you could say estoy hambriento, but it's not common. Tengo suerte. I'm lucky. So, tengo suerte o soy suertudo. But the first case, always using the verb to have is the common way to say it. It's not that it's not proper, it is proper, but it sounds like too snobby, or like as if you're writing a book or something. If you say, soy suertudo, not that common. Tengo sueño. I'm sleepy. Estoy soñoliento. Tengo sueño. Tengo cuidado. I'm careful. The other way is soy cuidadoso. Tengo miedo. I'm afraid. Soy miedoso. You could say soy, but then the ending of the noun is different, right? Tengo frío. I'm cold. And there's no other way to say tengo frío. ¿Estoy frío? No. Then you'd be dead. Tengo calor. I'm hot. Definitely not estoy calor o estoy caliente. Definitely not. Tengo celos. I'm jealous. Estoy celoso. Could be. There's another option. Tengo 20 años. I'm 20 years old. Tengo prisa. Or estoy deprisa. I'm in a hurry. Tengo razón. I'm right. No estoy razón. No other way. Tengo razón. Tengo éxito. I'm successful. Okay guys, so just use those examples and you'll be fine. Please subscribe to the channel, click on my picture down below, and click on the bell so you can continue receiving all the benefits. As well, I'm leaving you some videos of interest. See you very soon. Thank you for watching. Adios.